the kitchen back here just to protect it from the wind. Ready to make some dinner. I have yet to cook with Spam. So this is a first. Also, this is a recipe I have not tested. No idea if it's gonna work. Oh boy. That is something. I'm gonna need this plate later, so I kind of don't want to bloop juices all over it, but oh geez, how do you? Come on. Oh. There we go. We'll do 2 slices. About like that. Not the most even cut. Well, they're all breaking. This is the most whole one I have. Man. Oh no, this rice paper is so old. I am not surprised that it's breaking all over the place. Oh, we'll make it work. Alright, I think that might be soft enough. Watch out, bud. Water coming through. One to snack on. This is jasmine rice. It's like already cooked microwave rice. I feel like I have to go kind of moderate on this. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Let's do like half. Okay. Let's do the smaller half. Let's do the bigger half. Trying to flatten it a little bit. It still looks kind of dry. I hope it's going to work. I cheated a little and I started with this, and I just added a bunch of brown sugar to make it more like a glaze. Just for good measure, because it looks a little dry. I didn't have any sesame seeds, but you know what I always have. Everything bagel seasoning. It's got sesame seeds in it. A little crispier. All right. bad. Did definitely have blowouts on both sides. So I don't think I'm going to try and slice it. See if we can pick it up though. Oh, do the... Yep. I don't want to scrape off all the toppings, but...